Beetroot supplements like Beravia Beetroot Capsules are gaining traction as natural boosters for blood flow, energy, and overall wellness. But does this particular product actually work, or is it just clever marketing? Let's break it down. So, Beravia advertises its beetroot capsules as a plant-based daily supplement that supports healthy circulation, nitric oxide production, energy, stamina, and cardiovascular health, all through concentrated beetroot nutrients like nitrates, betalains, folate, potassium, and antioxidants. They even say many users feel better energy, improve circulation, and reduce fatigue within a few weeks of consistent use. But do these claims hold up out of advertising? The idea behind beetroot supplements isn't far-fetched. Beetroot is naturally high in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and support healthy blood pressure. Research shows beetroot supplementation, especially juice, can modestly lower systolic blood pressure and improve exercise performance and oxygen by dilating blood vessels and enhancing oxygen delivery. That means beetroot can help aspects of heart and vascular health, which may in turn support energy and stamina when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Most beetroot capsules, including Beravia, offer convenient nitrate intake without the taste or prep of beet juice, and many users report subjective benefits like less fatigue, better exercise endurance, or warmth in extremities. But real-world experiences vary, and some people see minimal effects unless they are already combining supplementation with balanced nutrition, exercise, and good sleep. In online forums, people discuss mixed outcomes, from noticeable energy boosts to no change at all, depending on their health and dose. Importantly, supplements don't replace a healthy diet or medical care when needed. They support existing habits. So are Beravia beetroot capsules worth it? Yes, if you want a natural, easy addition to support circulation, nitric oxide levels, and possibly energy and stamina as part of a healthy routine. But no, if you expect instant results or dramatic improvements on their own. Bottom line, beetroot supplements can help with blood flow and energy in context, especially when paired with good nutrition and exercise. But they're not a magic fix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.